Okay, so today we are going to make chicken enchiladas. This is an easy chicken enchilada recipe that anybody can make. And you can make it once, and if you're a family, it'll be one meal. If you live by yourself or you're just a couple, it'll last probably 2 nights for you. All right, so easy, breezy, get her done. These are the ingredients that you will need. So here are our ingredients. See, easy, doesn't take that much. Oh, salt and pepper's not in the picture, but salt and pepper's a given. So the first thing I'm gonna do is chop up my chicken. So I got some hot oil in my pan. Let that warm up. Taking my chicken, I'm going to put it in my pan. While this starts cooking, I am going to dice up my onion. And any chicken that I didn't get cut up really well, once it starts to cook, I'll be able to chop it up a little bit smaller. I am going to go ahead and add some salt and pepper to this. Alright, so here's a little bit of pepper. Got some salt. And I decided to go ahead and add a touch of garlic. There we go. Now I'll stir it up. I'm going to add about half of that onion into my chicken. Alright. Alright, we're going to stir this up a little bit. And continue cooking. So my chicken is done, and I have some grease and water and fat in here. I'm going to drain that before I add my other ingredients. So now's the time where if you see any big chunks of chicken that you want to chop up a little bit smaller, now is a good time to do that. I've already been doing that a little bit, so I think I got these about the size I want them. So now I'm going to add 8 ounces of cream cheese. So, and I am just going to cut and then drop it. You can pre-cut your cream cheese, but I did not. I got my oven heated to 350 so that when I roll them up, I'll be ready to go. All right, I'm also going to add 1 can of green chilies. My cream cheese is going to start softening, and I'm just going to get this all blended together. And then once this is all blended together, we will be ready to put it in some tortillas. And here is my little loyal girl, Roxy. Yes. Okay, so now we got everything ready. We got our chicken and green chilies and everything. We got our tortilla shells and our 8x10 cooking dish. So I am going to sprinkle a little cheddar cheese in here. Get a scoop of the chicken. And then what I'm gonna do is just bring the edges in, over, tuck, and fold. Or roll, whatever you wanna say. Rock and roll, baby. So again, a little bit of cheddar. Your chicken mixture. Sides go in, over the top, tuck, roll. Okay. leftover stuff I have, I'm just going to put it on top of my enchiladas. No use in any of it going to waste. Okay, so the enchiladas are done. I'm gonna take the green chili sauce and pour over the top of them. Calls for 2 cans of green chili. You could probably do 1, but we're gonna go ahead and go wild and crazy. Now, I have discovered this cheese. It is so creamy and delicious. I just recently found it, so that is what I'm going to top our enchiladas with. And then it's going to go into the oven and bake. Now this looks delightful. Mmm. So it's in the oven. We're gonna bake it at 400 for about 15 to 20 minutes until the cheese is nice and melted and maybe a little golden brown. Again, this is my new favorite cheese. We just recently discovered this. I bought it last time I went grocery shopping just to try it out, and we love it. So we will be continuing to buy that for our Mexican dishes. All right, I'm sure this is gonna turn out great. I've made this many, many times. It is one of my family's favorites. So I hope you try it and, you know, add different things, experiment with it, and let me know in the comments what you think of it. So here it is. So let's see how it turned out. It's pretty hot. Let's see. Mmm. Pretty good. I really like the cheese. The cheese is really yummy in it. Try it. Any changes you want to make to it, just put it in the description or in the comments below. I'd like to know how you made yours different or changed it or added to it. So try it, see what you think. I would love for you to subscribe to my page and turn on the bell notifications so that you will get notified whenever
leave a like.
whenever I get a new recipe out for you.